Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I came home and there was my Stitch Fix box. So I am super excited for this month's Stitch Fix. So I've been doing Stitch Fix actually a year, a full-on year, because when I first did it last year, it was around my birthday time. So that was my first fix I ever did. Now it's April, so I have been with Stitch Fix for a year now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys everything that's in the box. So what I do is I show everything to you guys, I try it on, and then I go over the price list of everything. So if you are new to Stitch Fix is a styling service. So you will be paired up with a personal stylist and they will shop for you and they send you a box of 5 different apparel pieces, shoes, handbags, jewelry, all sorts of stuff. So basically they do the work for you. You can request items. You can also send your Pinterest board so they can get to know you a little bit better. But it's just so fun to not have to go into stores and shop for clothes. So for me, I have 2 kids. I'm almost about to have 3 kids, and I just don't even want to think about going to the mall and going into dressing rooms with kids. So this Stitch Fix makes it super, super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. So for this particular fix, I had decided to go ahead and ask for some postpartum items. So I am 35 weeks pregnant, so I wanted to make sure that I was getting something functional for after birth, because basically the only thing fitting me right now is leggings and dresses. That's like the only thing I'm wearing. So I wanted to ask for some postpartum items. So my stylist typically is Jan, so we will see if she is also my stylist this time around. So what you're gonna get is you're gonna get some style cards right here. So everything that they send you, they're going to give you like ideas on how to make outfits with it. And let's see. Hi Gina, I hope you're having a wonderful April. Getting close to your due date. Per your request, I'm including forgiving pieces for postpartum. Thanks for making a Pinterest. I took inspiration from it. I just had a baby too, and afterwards I was loving comfy joggers with an easy to wear waistband like these ones from Onesie. Plus the capri length is great for keeping you cool as temps rise. Pair them with the Mix by 41 Hawthorne knit top. The V-neck allows for easier nursing access if needed. Let's see. Oh, and she also included a kimono. So I know you love blush. We don't currently carry wide width shoes, but how do these fit? Happy shopping. So Jan is my stylist again. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through everything, and then there's a price list, but we'll get to that later. So, and then also included in the box is a mailing envelope, so you can go ahead and send your items back. It's a prepaid mailer and envelope, so you don't have to pay for postage on anything back. There is a $20 styling fee per box that you get, and that $20 is going to be applied to anything that you want to go ahead and keep. So this is what we have inside the little donut. And the first thing I'm going to share with you guys are the shoes. So I had requested like a fun pair of tennis shoes, and they are pink. So yay, these are super cute. These are the, let's see, the CVS Monterey Canvas lace up sneakers, light pink. These are so freaking cute. So they remind me of Keds actually, but in pink. Oh, I love these. Jan, I love these so much. And then they come in a nice little like shoe bag. So you can actually reuse this as like a garment bag when you're traveling to like put your underwear in, or you could use it as like a wet bag for like the beach or the pool or something. And if you're wondering why I'm standing, it's because my back is killing me. So this is like the only position that works. And I'm getting this video in because my husband took the kiddos, both kiddos, to Chuck E. Cheese so that I could have some mom time. So yes. Okay, so the next thing in here is the Mix by 41 Hawthorne, and it is just a white, basic white shirt, which is totally up my alley because this is something that I wear all the time. So it's the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Trummer Essential Knit Top. So it's a very loose, bouncy material. This is in a size medium. It feels super soft, super soft. Loving that. And then these must be the pants she was talking about. So these are the capri pants right here. So it looks like it has a waistband right here. So it kind of looks like they're like maternity pants, which might actually be functional for me, seeing as it's going to take a while for my stomach to, you know, reduce down, obviously. And then there's some cute little tie details on the side of it. So it gives the outfit a little something extra. So these are the pants. And then we have a kimono, which is awesome because kimonos are great for nursing. So I am actually nursing this time around. And it is a green and turquoisey floral print kimono, which I think the colors are beautiful. This is the Paradigma Jennifer kimono. So this is the kimono that she sent. I am loving everything so far. Oh, and I love this color. Okay, so this is the top she was talking about. This is the wrap top right here. Oh wow, and it opens. So yeah, this would be a perfect nursing top, definitely. So this is the color here. It's kind of like a muted lilac. I love this. Shoot, this might be a 5 for 5 for me. So this is the Lila Jade Loyla Cross front knit top. So this is the top right here. So just by looking at everything just firsthand, I think everything is actually really cute. So now we're just gonna go ahead and just try everything on. Okay guys, so this is the white top, which is super comfortable, but I am not digging these pants, definitely not. I mean, they are comfortable. The waistband is nice and everything for, you know, being pregnant and stuff, but I don't know, they just give the feel of like pajamas. And then I do not like this little detail that's at the leg. I don't know, it's just really weird to me. So I'm definitely not liking these pants. So I went ahead and just put on my old maternity leggings on. So I'm definitely liking the shirt. And then I'll go ahead and pair this with the kimono, which is going to be great for, like I mentioned, nursing. So this is the kimono here. I really do like the print of this kimono, and I like pairing kimonos with like maxi dresses in the summer as well. So I think that this is a really nice, yeah, this is definitely a winner. So I'm liking the kimono, liking the top. This is going to be good for nursing because it kind of gives you a little bit more like security, you know, you can just kind of like go like that. So I'm definitely liking this. So this is the lilac top right here, and it fits really well. It's going to fit even better, obviously, when I'm not pregnant. And I like this little crisscross detail it has right here. Love the color. It's nice and soft. And then it just kind of like opens up right here. Sorry if I'm giving you guys like a sneak peek, but this is definitely going to be a really functional top for breastfeeding. And I think it would look really cute paired with like some black jeans or some dark denim jeans. So I definitely do really love this top. So this is a thumbs up. Okay, and these are the sneakers, and these are so freaking cute. They are comfy and they fit like a glove. So love these so much, and they will be so cute for spring and summertime. So these are definitely a keeper as well. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the pricing of everything. So the first top that I tried on, the purple Lila Jade cross top, this guy is $54. And then the kimono is $54 as well. And the 41 Hawthorne shirt is actually very reasonable. The white knit top, this guy is priced for $28, so that's a really fair price in my opinion. The onesie pants, the capri black pants, the pants I do not like, is $69, and then the shoes are $68. So If I was to buy everything in the box, subtotal of everything is $273, and if I bought everything, it would be $68.25 of a discount. So if I bought everything, then my final cost would be $204 with the discount, with everything included. And I think that these prices are actually pretty comparable to what I would purchase at Pee in a Pod, because that's the store I go to for like maternity and nursing stuff. So one single nursing tank at Pee in the Pod is like $29 or $39, something like that. So I think that's very reasonable. And I think $68 for a nice pair of sneakers is a good reasonable price as well. So I do have some Stitch Fix credit that I could apply to this order, and I could get everything. So this is Fix number 10, by the way. So if I wanted to go ahead and get everything, all of my credit that I have would apply. So I think it makes sense that I go ahead and just keep the pants, and then I could just maybe gift it to my mom or someone else who might want to wear them, or I could just turn them into around the house lounge pants. Let me know if you think that that might be a good idea. So I will have my referral link in the description box in the event you want to go ahead and try Stitch Fix out. As you can see, it's so fun to open up your box and see what your stylist has picked you out, and they save you the work of having to go ahead and go and shop, and especially if you are a mom with kids, it's really difficult to do that. So I will have my referral code in the description box, so when you sign up with my link, then I do get a $25 credit. So thank you guys so much for signing up with my referral link. I appreciate it so much, and I am so excited to be having some postpartum clothing that will make me feel pretty after giving birth, because that is such a hard in-between time. After you give birth, you're, like I told Nicole last night, I said, you know, I need some time to deflate until I can get back into my regular sizing, and I'm actually nursing with this baby, so I didn't nurse my other two babies, so this is going to be a whole new world for me, so I'm glad I can have some functional pieces. So let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the items that I got, and if you guys think I should just go ahead and keep the whole fix. So I hope everyone's having a great Sunday. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.